Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to pin or unpin a tab in Google Chrome. For example, you have opened multiple tabs on daily basis and you want to open a specific tab on daily basis. You can pin it. Here is a tab. For example, I open YouTube here and want to pin it permanently. Simply I will click on the top of this tab and click on once again on the pin button. This tab will be goes to the left side and become smaller and take less space with favicon. For example, I close Google Chrome and reopen it. Here you can see our YouTube tab is automatically opened. Now it's time to learn how to unpin it. Simply right click on it and unpin. This will be open and you can close it with cross button. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Bye and take care. See you in the next video.